Okay, hello everyone. So today I am going to discuss about question number 5.16 of a work energy power. So I hope you will enjoy this session. So let us consider now two identical ball bearing in a contact with each other. See here, question you just try to understand first of all. I will make it zoom for you. Okay, now two identical ball. Okay, how many identical ball? Two identical balls. Ball bearing in contact with each other and resting on a frictionless table are hit head on by another ball. So see here, this is first ball and this is two identical ball, and this is hit by this ball. Okay, with the same mass moving initially with the speed of v. So it has initial speed of v. Okay, if the collision is elastic, so collision is elastic, which of the following figure 5.14 is possible result? So let us, if it is elastic collision, so kinetic energy before collision should be equal to kinetic energy initial should be equal to kinetic energy final. Yes or no? So what is the kinetic energy initially? So initially kinetic energy is half m v square of whole system 1 2 3, because 2 3 system has a velocity 0, so we can consider this as a 0. Now what so final kinetic energy will be same half mv square, then only we can say that that is the possible answer. So let us use this case. So in this case what happened? So 1 by 2 m into this system has a velocity how much? 0. So v is 0, 0 square plus 1 by 2 into what is the total mass? 2m into v by 2 whole square. So what we will get? We will get 2 got cancel out. So m v square by 4. So initially half mv square, but finally kinetic energy final is mv square by 4. So this is not a possible case of initial kinetic elastic collision, not a elastic collision, because in an elastic collision initial kinetic energy will be equal to final kinetic energy. Now let us use this case. Now in this case 1 by 2m 2m 2m, because its mass is total 2m into 0 square plus its mass is half m v square. So finally it is your half m v square. So it means that this is your elastic collision. So 2 is the correct answer. So if you want to check third one, so can you check third one? So definitely you can check third one. So in third one, see here, in third one see third one, what is the final kinetic energy? So 1 by 2 into mass is how much? Total all combined mass is 3m into b by 3 whole square. So will you get the half mv square? No. 1 by 2 into 3m into v square by 9. So this is 3 is 9. So 1 by 6 m v square. So it is not the possible answer. So I hope you have understood. So you should always be clear that if it is an elastic collision, so initial kinetic energy should be equal to final kinetic energy. Okay, so initially it was half mv square, final kinetic energy in this case is your half mv square. And all about system, you should always take whole system, not single mass you can't take. You should take whole system. Here we are taking total systems energy. Here also we are taking total systems energy. Here also taking total systems energy. Okay, I hope you have understood now. Thank you.